Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am going over the last 10 page kits with putting in some Project Life cards. And so I am going to go through these. Bear in mind, it is the same night, so the storm is still going on and my dog is up here. So if you hear any noises, that'll be between those two. Now, some of these page kits, like I said, already have cards with them, so I don't want to add too much to them. And yeah, so I think for this one, since it already has some cards, I think the only thing I'm going to look for is maybe some pink. So let me see if I have anything in pink that I can add to this page kit. And so the reason why I am using these is because I don't really do Project Life. And I have all of these, whether they be from cutting up a page kit or just kind of, that's cute. Love is all around. Let's add that one in, even though I already have that. Oh, that would be cute to like cut up. So I forgot what I was saying. I get so distracted that this is why I can't do these types of videos sometimes, because I just get distracted and just keep talking and talking, and I don't know what I end up talking about. So the reason why I'm using these is to use them up and to add some extra oomph to my pages. So whether it be tucking behind a page or, you know, making something out of them, I am going to do that with them and use them up. So I have a lot of them. All right, that one's done. This one, I already kind of know what I want for this one because it's cute. Okay. Because I have like these ones that are they're very themey, and I think I thought they were in the front of here, but they might not have been. Which I don't know where they're at. This is very, you know, it goes very well with that. And so I might add that one to it. And then I thought I had like little ones with it. Oh, here we go. Are these it? There's that one. Rockin' moments. That's cute. Okay, so we'll add those. I don't know if I have anything that'll match those, but we can totally see if there is. Definitely have like the chevron. That would be cool to add. This would be kind of cool to cut out. I'm like I thought I had something to go in here. That's why I'm kind of like, guess I might have to look through my stuff in here and see if there's something that I'm missing with those cards. Because I was under the assumption that there's something in there, but oh well. Let's see if we have any green that'll match, and then we'll go to blues. We could probably add this. So we have like a green, just to add it, just to kind of see what it's all about. Let's see. Add the wood. That would be cool. Green wood. All right. I think that's probably going to be it. And then we'll go to blue. See if maybe we can find that blue in the same. There's cute little mustaches. I'm sorry if I'm like out of camera. I'm just trying to flip through these. Say cheese. I don't know if we have a chevron in this blue. I mean, that's okay if we don't. It's fine. It's not going to make or break. There's that wood, but that's like a baby blue wood. Not really what I'm looking for. Looking for more of like a darker blue. Our crazy family. Don't see anything that is like speaking to me. Nope. All right. And then I was just gonna look really quick at the reds to see if there was anything that I could add into the reds, which I don't really see. Maybe like that one. Okay, yeah, let's just let that go. So we will add in all of these. We have some cool little pockets. We could, you know, tell a story and add a pocket in there. So definitely worth it. All right. Let's see, what's the next one? This one. Okay, so this one has some as well. And I actually have this cut apart kit for this. And if I don't recall, here it is. So I'm actually going to add this into here because, you know, they all match, so mine as well. So I'm going to leave that like that. And the next one, Paige Evans already has a cut apart right here, so that I'm leaving. Let's see, what else do we have here? I think this one has a cut apart as well. So I don't think we're going to be using this one. Yeah, it's got a cut apart, so not going to be using that one. Or going to be adding any more to that one. This one, I believe, has a cut apart as well. So let's just double check. I think it does. It has like, oh yeah, it's got some cut aparts. So we're not going to add anything more to that one. This one, let's see, cut aparts already in there. So see, as we get closer to the end, there is more in each one. So I know this one has cut aparts as well. So does this one. Actually, I think it does. Look, let me check. I think. Yeah, it does. It has cut-aparts in there. I think I might add a little bit more of a gray to this one just because I noticed that I didn't have a lot of, let me pull that one out. This is such a weird thing because it's got gray, but then it also has gold. It's just, oh, and I have these. Wouldn't those be fun? It's got some grays and golds. Oh, yes. Let's just add them all. We can always figure out a way to use them. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for this one. I like that. Okay, we are making a dent in these because they weren't moving in the beginning. So definitely like that. I'm going to actually see if I have any of this light blue. See, like, these blues don't really match. I don't know if there's like a misprint. It says heart, and that's heart. I don't know, like, if there is, like, I don't know. It's like, part of me is like, okay, go with, that's cute. That matches. We'll add that. Why not? I don't know if part of me just is like, am I thinking it too much? I don't know. Because I feel like that's cute. Like they're different colors. I don't know. Or different collections. I don't know. I'm just kind of flipping through just to kind of see what I can find. That one matches. Definitely do that. It brings in some of the blue. And that one. Okay. I think that is it. I don't think we're gonna add any more to that one. Okay. So we have a variety of cards in there, which is good. All right, and then we just have two more, guys. So thanks for sticking around. This one is the Let's Stay Home. Don't actually, and I don't think I'm gonna add anything because look, we already have these tags that match perfectly. So I don't really want to add anything else if I don't have to. And the last one is this one right here, and I think there might be some cut aparts, but I don't think there is actually. Nope, there's not. Okay. So I am going to look for some of this blue. This would be cute. What does this say? Celebrate. Oh, that's cute, but that doesn't match. Okay. Ooh. That's cute, but I don't know if I have another one, and I think I need to have another one. I wonder if this would match. That's a little bit too bright. All right. Do we have any more like that? Probably not. I should just pull these out, but I'm gonna make it harder on myself and just these are very busy. Very, very busy. All right, I'm gonna keep that blue one in there just because it's okay, Ralph. Just because I want to. I'm just gonna flip through. I don't know if I said this, but my dog's in here with me because it is storming outside. He doesn't like to be alone when it storms. All right, let's see. I was gonna see if there's any brown because this does have like kind of a brownish tone to okay. Let's see. Do we have anything that comes out, pops out? Keep calm and carry on. That's kind of cute. I like that. Live every day with gratitude. I was kind of looking for like this yellow right here. It's kind of like a burnt yellow though, so I don't know if I would be able to have, if I have any of those. Doesn't look like it. They're all super bright. All right. And then let's see, do we have anything in pink? More of like a muted pink. Oh, that's cute. I don't think that gives me the right vibe though. Okay, I think we're gonna be done. I might add that one and that to it. Just happy, happy, happy. I don't think I have any like navy blue. I think the only thing is like this one, which might work. That might work. Okay, so I think we're done. I think I'm just gonna add 2 of these little guys in here to add some brown to it. All right, so that, guys, is completing the adding these cards to my page kits. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think I got a good majority of these knocked out. I could have probably added a little bit more, but I mean, I couldn't even like flip through these when I first started. So I think I did a pretty good dent in them, and I'm pretty excited if I could use them up and get them used up. That would be awesome. So if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below for me and I will get back to you. And I think the next thing is going to be adding in, I'm trying to think because the easiest way for me to do this, I just don't know. So I don't know if I'm going to be adding in just like lump and bump. We'll just see how it goes. We'll see how the next step goes with these. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.